Hey there, welcome to the Cookbook Divas YouTube channel. My name is Katie, and I'm very, very excited to look through Epic Vegan, Quick and Easy. This is by Dustin Harder. He actually has, I think it's new, it's a podcast called Keep on Cooking, and he publishes every Tuesday. He also has a YouTube channel, and I think it's the Vegan Roadie, the Roadie Vegan, one of those two. And I would highly check that out. If you're a vegan and you love that kind of thing, check that out. I have been waiting for this cookbook for a very long time, and I wasn't really sure why, because I don't know. I just was surprised, and it took forever. And I was when I did a look through of it on our podcast, it looked amazing. Like everything on there looked really great. There was a lot of like unhealthy sounding recipes, but very healthy sounding ones, and it was all vegan. And I've been experimenting with being more plant-based and vegan for a very long time now and trying to reduce how much meat and animal products I eat. So, I want to know how to make things taste really good and be vegan. And I know that's totally possible. I've done it before, but the more recipes, the better. So let's check this out because it's very, very popular. And it's really fun. Like, this is a great cookbook. All the photos are fantastic. There's a lot of cool information in here. So, yeah, I'm just super excited. Everything's big and bold and fun. All right, so chapter 1, we have Brekkie Bites. Chapter 3 is Snacks and App. 4, oh, I totally missed chapter 1. Chapter 1 is Back to the Basics. Sorry, chapter 2 is Brekkie Bites. And then chapter 3 is Snacks and Apps Movie Night Bites. Chapter 4 is Soups and Such, perfect for right now. I'm so excited for this. And chapter 5 is It's a Handful, Sandwiches, Tacos, and Burritos. We have chapter 6, which is Lunch Break, Meal on the Go for the office, break room, or home. This is super helpful. I used to work in construction, so it was always really hard not to go out and eat. So I'm looking forward to that chapter. We have chapter 7, the main event, fast and flavorful dinner time entrees. Chapter 8 is sweet treats. Yes, perfect. And then that's it. Awesome. So let's take a deep dive into this. We have different ingredients that you're going to want to have, like jackfruit, miso, nuts, tahini, definitely. All these must-haves. Bold, awesome design for this cookbook. The different tools you'll want, and then just gorgeous photos, how to use this book. I think that's wonderful. I love this. Meal prep suggestions. So if you're in a hurry, you don't want to think too hard, and that happens to me all the time, he has 24 different combos that you could use, different things, and that includes page numbers. So if you want to make a whole meal, you can have, for instance, combo number 2, it's lemon, garlic, and thyme, oh my, it's on page 137, and then baked tofu along with it, which is on page 24. Super easy, you don't have to think about it. That's really awesome and great. So we go into kind of your easy peasy normal vegan eat. So like rice, he says rice realness. So he has in big bold black boxes different tips for each thing, which is very helpful. And then we have your ingredients listed in bullets, your directions right next to it, and how much yield it has. I think that's really helpful. Very simple, straightforward. Let's see. Let's go to actual recipes here. So we can talk about all of these fun things all day. I'm not seeing, one thing that I usually look at for vegan cooking is if it's also gluten-free. A lot of vegan substitutes, especially meat and cheese substitutes, are filled with gluten. So it's hard to find stuff. So that's why I'm always looking on a lookout for a good vegan cookbook. So, ooh, this is country gravy, and oh my goodness, we have gluten-free flour right here. So it says you can use just regular flour or gluten-free. I love the mindfulness there. So it's not just about being animal product free. It's gluten-free options too. That's really helpful. I think another issue with vegan cooking too is, a lot of the nut like using a lot of nuts. So if you have a nut allergy, that might be a little difficult. So I'm not seeing a lot of nut substitutes so far, but we've just started. So again, big tip right here, just kind of a, here's what his suggestion is for the country gravy, what to put with it, where he came up with the idea. Ingredients, quick directions, done. Very simple, very easy, bold pictures. Ooh, these look great. I don't know what that is, but yum. All right, all-in-one breakfast sheet pan bowls. Yum. This was a great idea. I love one sheet pan or bowl like breakfast ideas. Those are so cool. Baked French toast sticks. Oh, yum. That looks really good. Then we have matcha blueberry granola. There's no photo of it, but that's okay. Presto pesto avocado toast. That's really cute. Smoked tempeh peanut satay. So this one's not necessarily gluten-free, but that's okay. So yeah, this is kind of a hit or miss for anybody who has a nut allergy or gluten-free, but I think there's a lot of great vegan great vegan recipes in here. Epic charcuterie boards. These are great for the holidays, so definitely keep that in mind. Loaded sheet pan nachos. Oh, yum. So good. Made in minutes mini pizza cups. That's cute. I like this idea. So we have even further, let's go into, it's a handful because tacos and burgers. That's wonderful stuff right there. Hawaiian tofu and pineapple sando. That looks really good. I'm really hungry now. That looks amazing. I'm trying to think of what I should just do for lunch, and that sounds great. I might as well do that. We have one sheet barbecue mushroom jack and peaches sandwich. That's really awesome. Some of these recipes I've not really heard of before. Mushroom carnita and Brussels burrito. Oh, excuse me while I drool. Oh my god, this looks so good. So yeah, he talks about like mushrooms, if you like them, and I do, they're magical, not that kind of magical. They take on such a rich and deep flavor, so there's, he tries to kind of sell you on the product, and that's fine. I think this is just really great. Fantastic cookbook. Oh wow, this is great. Lunch break, meals on the go for the office. Here we go. These are fun. Rainbow vegetables and tofu sheet pan. This looks really good. I'm wondering how this makes it like on the go, mostly. Yeah, so he'll give you oh, here we go. So in the very beginning, he kind of gives you a description on why he thinks this is kind of a, a sheet or a meal on the go kind of thing. Let's go a little further. Dustin's favorite summer salad. A little further. Fiesta quinoa bowl with sweet lime vinaigrette. This looks really, really tasty. Very good. Let's go a little further into, I could probably look at this cookbook all day. There's just a lot of cool stuff in here. Cheesesteak stuffed peppers. This is a really cool idea. I love this. Yum. So it looks like he uses a lot of easy ingredients. So I've noticed with some vegan cookbooks, you have to kind of make everything, but he utilizes the things that are already available. So like vegan cheese is already available, vegan meats are already available, so you don't necessarily need to make your own. We are learning how to make vegan mayonnaise is even in the store now for a lot of people. So I like that he just kind of is like, just use regular vegan cheese, whatever you want, and here's a recipe for that. It just normalizes it more, and I really enjoy that. So yeah, let's look at the sweet stuff because I'm obsessed with sweet things. Cherry limeade cobbler bars. That's an interesting, I love cherry limeade, but I don't think I'd put in a cobbler. I've never tried it before. So that would be a great summertime sweet snack. Peanut butter and jelly banana muffins. Yum. So easy. Sun butter cookies. I have not had like a peanut butter cookie in a long time, and that sounds really, really good. Let's see. Yeah, so again with the gluten-free stuff, it's basically a one for one. He does include like gluten-free flour in there as an option or a substitute for some of these recipes, which is very helpful, very nice. Yeah, this is a pretty amazing cookbook. I think this is really great. It's not huge, but the design is wonderful. It's really easy to navigate and go through. And it makes vegan cooking accessible. It's healthy, but there's a lot of like, things that we all enjoy. Mac and cheese is in there, nachos, but on a vegan end. So the things that maybe you've missed for a while, you can recreate them in here. So definitely check this out. This is by Dustin Harder. Epic vegan, quick and easy. A lot of these recipes are very straightforward. So yeah, check it out. Let us know how it goes. Make sure to review and comment down below. We want to know how we're doing. If you want to join us on Facebook, Instagram, or Pinterest, we'd love to see you there. That's for more cookbook content. We also have a website, a blog, where we talk more about cookbook updates, different other bloggers, vloggers, all kinds of stuff there. We also have a podcast we like to release every Friday, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and have a fantastic week.